Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss 1 marks and 2 marks question. Question number 1. Business organization involves economic events. Second, accounting is the language of business. Or the question will be dash is the language of business. Answer is accounting. Third, accounting measures the business transactions in terms of monetary units. Fourth one, financial accounting is one of the branches of accounting. The statement is true. Fifth, current assets are the assets held on long-term basis. The statement is false because current assets are held on short-term basis and not long-term basis. Sixth one, which of the following is not a business transaction? Answer is C. Paid son's college fees from his personal bank account rupees 20,000. Seventh, which of the following shows the financial position of the business? A. Profit and loss account. B. Total debtors account. C. Balance sheet. And D. Fund flow statement. Answer is C. Balance sheet. Eighth one, how many sides does an account have? Answer is B. 2. Ninth one, passbook is a copy of. Answer is A. Copy of customer's account. 10th, if wages paid for installation of new machinery is debited to wages account, it is. Answer is B. An error of principle. 11th, if the opening capital is rupees 50,000 as on 1st April 2022, an additional capital introduced rupees 10,000 on January 1st, 2023. Interest charge on capital is 10% per annum. The amount of interest on capital shown in profit and loss account as on March 31st, 2023 will be. Answer is C. Rupees 5,250. Question number 12. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. That is accounting equation. 13. Cash book maintained to record small expenses is called petty cash book. In petty cash book, what we do? We record all the small expenses of the business. That is conveyance charges, printing and stationery, postage and telegram, cartage, refreshment, etc. Question number 14. Normally, the cash book shows a debit balance, passbook shows credit balance. 15. Assets account balances are debit balance. 16. The expenses paid which are related to the next year are prepaid expenses. 17. Expand CGST, that is Central Goods and Services Tax. 18. Name any one type of cash book. There is single column cash book, double column cash book, or you can write petty cash book. 19. State any one type of reserves. There is capital reserve or revenue reserve. Question number 20. Give any one example for capital receipt. Loan taken from bank or cash received from the sale of fixed asset. Question number 21. Balance sheet is an account. The statement is false because balance sheet is a statement and not an account. 22. Accounting equation is based on. Answer is C. Dual aspect concept. 23. The objective of preparing trial balance is. Answer is B. To know the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. Question number 24. Closing stock is valued at. Answer is D. Cost price or market price, whichever is lower. Question number 25. The process of transferring journal entry to individual ledger accounts is called posting. 26th. Credit note is the basis of recording sales written book, and debit note is the basis of recording purchases written book. 27. Expand gap. That is generally accepted accounting principles. Question number 28. Give an example for voucher. That is bill, debit voucher, credit voucher, or invoice. 29. Cash book is both a ledger account and subsidiary book. The statement is true because cash book is a ledger account and also a subsidiary book. 30th, state any one type of error. That is error of principle, error of omission, error of commission. Anyone you can write. 31. Cash book does not record the credit transaction. In cash book, what we do? We record all the cash transaction. Cash received, cash paid, cash purchases, cash sales, etc. and not the credit transactions. 32. Define accounting. According to American Accounting Association, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments of decisions of users of information. Question number 33. State any two accounting concepts. Answer is business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, cost concept, and matching concept. Any two you can write. What is bank overdraft? It is an excess amount of money that is withdrawn from an account as compared to the amount deposited, and that results in a negative account balance. Hence, it is considered as liability. Bank overdraft is a liability. Question number 35. State any two examples for current asset. That is debtors, cash in hand, cash at bank, inventories, bills receivable, etc. 36. Give the journal entry for the following adjustment. Outstanding salary rupees 3,500. Entry will be salary account debited to outstanding salary account, being salary outstanding, and the amount is 3,500. 37. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. Who is debtor? Debtor is a person or entity who owe money to the business for buying goods and services on credit. 39. Give the meaning of accounting concept. Accounting concept refers to the necessary assumption and ideas which are fundamental to accounting practice. Question number 40. State the rules of debit and credit of expenditure account. In expenditure account, what we do? Increase in expenses is to be debited and decrease in expenses is to be credited. 41. What is contra entry? Contra entry represents deposits or withdrawals of cash from bank. Example, cash deposited into bank or cash withdrawn from bank. Entry will be bank account debited to cash account or cash account debited to bank account. Next question. What is bank reconciliation statement? Bank reconciliation statement is a summary of banking and business accounts that reconciles a company's bank account with its financial record. What is capital? Capital is the amount invested by the owner in the business. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Question number 44. State the rules of debit and credit of assets account. In assets account, increase in assets is to be debited and decrease in assets is to be credited. What is posting? The process of transferring journal entries to individual ledger accounts is called posting. 46. Write two examples of liabilities, that is creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, loans. What are drawings? Drawings refers to cash, goods, or any other assets withdrawn by the owner from the business for his personal use. Give two examples of fixed assets, that is land, building, furniture, vehicle, etc. Give the example of accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers are the documentary evidence in support of the transactions. Example, debit voucher, credit voucher, etc. 50th, state any two objectives of accounting. Number one, to maintain a proper record of business transaction. Second, to ascertain the net profit or loss of a business. Third, to ascertain the financial position of the business. 51. A trader has assets with rupees 1 lakh and his liabilities are rupees 60,000. Find out his capital. Assets and liabilities they have given and we have to find out capital. Accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. To get the capital, what we have to do? Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Assets is 1 lakh and liabilities 60,000. From 1 lakh minus 60,000, the difference amount is 40,000. That is capital. Question number 52. What is double entry system? The system of recording two aspects, that is debit and credit of every transactions in the books of accounts is known as double entry system. Question number 53. Give the meaning of journal. Journal is a book of original entry where transactions are recorded in chronological order as and when they take place. What is ledger? Ledger is the principal book of accounting system. It contains different accounts where transactions relating to that accounts are recorded. Number 55. State the basis of accounting. Cash basis and accrual basis. 56. When a suspense account is open. Suspense account is a general ledger account that acts as a holding account until the error is discovered or the unknown transaction is identified. 57. State any two causes of depreciation. There is wear and tear of an asset, expiration of legal rights, obsolescence, abnormal factors like floods, earthquakes, etc. Question number 58. What is capital expenditure? Capital expenditure are long-term investments in which the benefits of expenditure extends more than one accounting period. In my next video, we'll solve 6 marks important problem, that is analytical petty cash flow. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you everyone.